Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly iconic, the 1965 Ford Mustang. This car isn't just a piece of American history, it's a symbol of power, freedom, and timeless design. So let's take a closer look at its interior, exterior, and of course, the price you can expect if you're thinking about owning one today. Starting with the exterior, the 1965 Mustang is a head-turner even after all these years. That long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive front grille give it that classic muscle car stance that's instantly recognizable. The chrome bumpers, round headlights, and bold Mustang emblem on the grille make it stand out in any crowd. Depending on the trim, you could get stylish details like side scoops and sporty racing stripes that added to its muscle look. The fastback version especially looks sleek and aerodynamic, it's no wonder collectors love it so much. Moving to the interior, the 1965 Mustang had a surprisingly premium feel for its time. You'll notice a dual cockpit design on the dashboard, chrome accents, and that signature 3-spoke steering wheel with the Mustang logo right at the center. The seats were simple but stylish, available in vinyl or leather, and the overall layout was very driver-focused. Even the instrument cluster was designed to make you feel like you were sitting in a sports car. Sure, by today's standards it's not high-tech, but it's pure classic charm. No touchscreens, no fancy buttons, just old-school style and a rumbling V8 under the hood. Now let's talk about the price. Back in 1965, a brand new Ford Mustang started at just around $2,300, crazy to think about now. Of course, that price could go up depending on the model and engine options. Today, if you're looking to buy a restored or well-maintained 1965 Mustang, prices can vary a lot. You can find some decent examples starting around $25,000 to $35,000, while fully restored or rare versions, especially GT or fastback models, can easily reach $60,000 to over $100,000. It really depends on condition, originality, and modifications. The best thing about the 65 Mustang is that it's more than just a car, it's a piece of history. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates vintage design, the Ford Mustang from 1965 never fails to impress. The rumble of its engine, the simple yet bold styling, and the way it feels on the road all come together to remind you why it became such an icon. So that's it for today's video, the classic 1965 Ford Mustang, inside and out, and what it takes to own one today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment below telling us what your dream classic car is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.